Looking for the best espresso machines of 2025 to elevate your at-home coffee game? Whether you're craving a creamy cappuccino, a bold espresso, or a frothy latte, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best espresso machines that deliver exceptional quality and performance. Want to know the prices? Check the links in the description below for the latest deals. Stick around until the end to discover which machine is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Philips Series 3300, a fully automatic espresso machine designed for coffee lovers who crave convenience without compromising on flavor. This machine delivers 6 hot and iced drinks, including espresso, cappuccino, and latte, all at the touch of a button. What sets it apart? The LatteGo milk system creates silky, frothy perfection without complicated tubes or cleanup. Plus, its ceramic grinder ensures a precise grind every time, enhancing the flavor of your beans while lasting up to 20,000 cups. And for those who love a quiet morning, the Silent Brew technology keeps noise to a minimum, 40% quieter than standard machines. Maintenance is effortless thanks to the AquaClean filter, reducing the need for descaling and keeping your coffee tasting fresh. Whether you prefer a bold espresso or a smooth iced latte, this machine delivers quality with every cup. Stay tuned because the next pick is even more impressive. At number 4, we have the Gaggia Velasca espresso machine, a sleek, user-friendly, and high-performing machine that brings the art of espresso right to your kitchen. With its 54-ounce water reservoir, you can brew multiple cups without constantly refilling, making it perfect for busy mornings or entertaining guests. This espresso machine is equipped with a manual milk frother, giving you full control over the texture and quality of your milk-based drinks like cappuccinos and lattes. The stainless steel housing ensures durability while adding a modern touch to your kitchen counter. The Velasca also features an automatic brew cycle that guarantees consistent results, whether you prefer a strong shot of espresso or a lighter, creamier option. Plus, the easy-to-use interface and compact design make it ideal for both beginners and seasoned coffee enthusiasts alike. With its classic Gaggia taste, sleek design, and reliable performance, this machine will elevate your coffee experience. Stick around, we've got even more powerful machines coming up. Taking the third spot on our list is the Breville the Barista Touch espresso machine, a true game-changer for coffee lovers who want a professional cafe experience right in their own kitchen. This machine combines convenience with customization, offering everything you need to make perfect espresso-based drinks. One of the standout features of the Barista Touch is its touchscreen interface, which makes it incredibly easy to adjust your brew strength, milk texture, and temperature. It's designed for speed with seconds heat-up time, so you're not waiting long for your first cup of the day. The integrated grinder provides fresh, ground coffee beans at your fingertips, while the auto milk frother ensures you get silky, creamy froth for your cappuccinos and lattes with minimal effort. The brushed stainless steel design not only looks sleek but is built to last, adding a modern touch to your kitchen. With its versatile features and advanced technology, the Breville Barista Touch will make your home coffee-making experience smoother and more enjoyable. Ready for the next one? Let me know! At number 2, we have the DeLonghi La Specialista Opera Espresso Machine, a truly luxurious espresso machine that combines professional-grade features with the ease of home use. If you're looking to elevate your coffee game, this is the machine for you. The La Specialista Opera is all about precision, convenience, and delivering barista-quality results in every cup. One of its standout features is the commercial-style steam wand, which allows you to create rich, velvety microfoam for your lattes and cappuccinos, just like a pro. It also offers cold brew functionality for a refreshing twist on your morning coffee routine. The built-in grinder ensures you have fresh coffee grounds at your fingertips. With adjustable settings to suit your preferred brew strength, the sleek EC9555M model comes with an intuitive interface and advanced technology to deliver the perfect espresso every time. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned coffee enthusiast, the DeLonghi Law's Specialista Opera offers both convenience and quality, making it a standout choice for your home. Claiming the top spot, we have the Breville Barista Pro espresso machine, the ultimate choice for coffee enthusiasts who want barista-quality espresso at home with ease. With its BS878 BSS model, this machine brings professional-level features into the comfort of your kitchen, making it our #1 pick for 2025. The Barista Pro offers a seamless coffee-making experience with its built-in conical burr grinder. This allows you to grind fresh beans on demand, ensuring you get the best flavors every time. The fast-heating thermocool ensures that the machine reaches the optimal temperature in just a few seconds, allowing you to start brewing without any delays. Its automatic milk frother creates silky smooth froth for lattes, cappuccinos, or macchiatos with minimal effort. The user-friendly touchscreen controls and brushed stainless steel design make this machine both intuitive and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coffee lover, the Breville Barista Pro offers the perfect blend of ease, quality, and performance, making it the top choice for espresso lovers everywhere. And that's a wrap on our countdown of the top 5 best espresso machines of 2025. Be sure to check the description for the latest deals. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.